A West Alabama healthcare provider says they're not going anywhere. We're glad you're with us tonight. I'm Lynn Brooks.
And I'm Philip Coleman. With the recent 2-year extension for health insurance policies under Obamacare comes concerns for those who still can't afford insurance. WVUA's Jennifer Edwards joins us now with details in tonight's top story.
The Good Samaritan Clinic in Northport treats West Alabama residents who cannot afford health insurance of their own. The executive director of the clinic says it isn't going anywhere, and neither is their high quality of care.
Good Samaritan is a protection for those people who are the poorest of the poor, and that's not going to change.
Executive Director Julie Citizen says the Good Samaritan Clinic is a nonprofit agency that provides primary, non-emergent medical care for those less fortunate.
What we're looking at are people who make minimum wage or who work part-time. It's not unusual for us to have a patient who has 2 or 3 part-time jobs, none of which they get qualified for health insurance on.
With the passing of Obamacare, those with the clinic say some thought the agency would no longer be needed, but that isn't the case.
It seems like we're getting more people that are falling into that 100% of the poverty level, which are not going to be affected by the Obamacare.
We took care of over 600 patients last year and the year before that, and in planning for this year, I planned again for a few more than 600 patients a year.
Citizen says it's important for those who cannot afford health care to have a place to go.
The patients that we see have hypertension, they have diabetes, they have asthma, they have those kinds of things for which medical care is very important.
But if you can't afford it, Citizen says it's important you sign up for insurance as soon as possible.
If you choose not to make health care a priority, then it really can change your life. It can change everything.
For more information about the Good Samaritan Clinic, you can find a link to their website through ours. Go to WVUATV.com, click on numbers and links. For WVUA News, I'm Jennifer Edwards.